Hi, this is Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. One of the questions that always comes up is, can I pay my people as independent contractors or do I have to pay them as employees? Most small businesses want their workers to be independent contractors. It makes it a lot easier on them. They don't have all that payroll tax reporting. And oh my gosh, how about all those extra costs? Well, the reality is the paperwork is there for sure, and it's pretty daunting sometimes. On the other hand, it really only costs you about 8 or 10% more to have somebody work as an employee rather than an independent contractor. What is the definition of an employee versus an independent contractor? If you control what the worker does and how they do it, they are an employee. Whether you have a contract to the contrary doesn't matter. If you control what they do and how they do it, then they're probably an employee. There are 20 common law tests in the IRS that help you determine whether somebody is an employee or an independent contractor. Well, now that's great, but the fact of the matter is, if you have a worker that's an independent contractor and they decide to file for unemployment, you're probably going to get a call from the Texas Workforce Commission because they're going to want that person to be an employee even though you treat them as an independent contractor. And heaven forbid that they get upset with you and go to the Department of Labor, because the Department of Labor has another set of rules about whether somebody is an independent contractor or not. So it's a complicated matter, and it gets down to how you treat them. Oh, by the way, if you have one worker as an independent contractor and another one as an employee doing the same kind of job, sorry, they're both probably employees. And if you don't understand the rules, you can set yourself up for a circumstance where you've got to make good on somebody's payroll taxes when you thought all along they were an independent contractor. If you want to know more about this, give us a call. We're accountants with an attitude.